Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share details about AI-powered image and video generation platform, Deepfake Maker, where you can also swap AI face. You can also start making image to video transformation, AI visual effect, and you can also change your real image into anime, cartoon, manga, and there is 3D, so there is no technical skill required. Everything is working smoothly. Through Deepfake Maker, you can also get how it is working like photo swap. You can put the photo that has original. There is also with the face as target face. And then you can also click on the start and the face will be swapped. If you go for face to like video, face swap, that is also like this. And here is also like upload your video on which you have original face, and there you have to put the face that you want to replace. And next you have to select the V2 model with credit. There is also HD. There are the quality for video. And next you have to click on the swap. In this way you can also make your face swap through Deepfake Maker website. This is also going to given you free trials. User can also do sign up there. How to use it: first open the source video, open also the target face and start swap. In this way you can also check through artificial intelligence video face swap is possible through Deepfake Maker in a professional way with the fast, simple, and high quality result. In second you can get the best result here. AI GIF face swap is also here. You can also secure your data and privacy through deepfake, and there is no registration or login required, and there is also no collection required for private data. So simply you can also use 100% free to use. Swap face fast and accurate facial recognition is here, and everyone can work. The people who are already working on these, there are testimonials like what they have done the operation on the Deepfake Maker website and what they have experienced there. You can also check their reviews too. Now, as there is also some plans, you can also click on it. That is going to start it from 9.99 and you will get here 3000 credit. Fast processing queue, there is no watermark. 24/7 email support is also available. Next is about the perfect package with 25% off, $29 per 10,000 credit. There is also $99 where 35,000 credit will be given with all the features. So here you can also get the rules how you are going to use like video to video face swap. If you do it 2 credit per second, HD video face swap 6 credit per second, there is image face swap 2 credit, and so on. So be ready and join it. How you will also join it: you can also use the Google account, email, or password. You can easily sign in as your account will be given here as mine. Like 300 credit have been given to me. Now I am also going to given you details here like video face swap or I want to change first of all the photo swap. So here your creativity in one click, we can click on it. Here is the original pic. Now I am going to upload. This is the original picture, and I am also going to selecting now as my target. So here is my target picture. So I am going to click on it. Now it is also being uploaded. When it will be done, we can also click on the swap face, and it is being processed now. As our real picture is going to convert it into target face, you can also do it through the deepfake maker. There you can also check our face has been swapped now, and there you can also check it is completely fine. And you can also get a very simple step result in second. You can also get here. If you go for video face swap, you can also select first of all the original face video. Friends, you can also upload the original face video here like we have, and I am going to uploading here. Next we have to upload the picture that I want to replace the face. So here is my picture. I'm going to replacing it, and then we have to click on the next, that is about like swap now. You can also check out there is the result, and here you can even follow the, you can also download the product here. Even you can also play, and then you can also check that there is our now video
जो
that
लोग
has
पुलिस
been
के अंदर
given to us. Like this is, I am going to stopping it, and a real video I am also going to play, and then I will also show you how it looks. Now you can also check, there is also a big difference, means you can also swap the face into this, and we have already done in a second. This is also working perfectly. You can also check the other services too, like here if we go back, and I'll show you, there is face swap, video swap, there's gift maker, and AI gender swap, and so on. You can also make your avatar. AI nano banana is also here with the perchance AI, and all these like model are going to be used. You can also get video effect to like AI kissing generator, AI French kiss, there is bikini, and so on. In this way, guys, you can also get a complete tools information on a single interface deepfake maker, and I am going to providing link in my video descriptions too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.